she's one of our master esthetician, and she's the longest technician that we have in here. And usually she's the only one who works in this room. And as you can see, she has decorated her own room.
I love it too. Yeah.
I like how every room,
Y'all see this? Look.
Yeah.
each room is decorated.
Yes.
Yes.
That is
Right?
Yeah, this is expensive, but it's a good product.
It
It's
is
a very
a
good
good
product.
That's what you make.
Okay, so we have.
But you're right. Everything has a theme. Every room has its own little. Even the wallpaper, just, you can touch it.
Room right now that we have. This room.
Are you just constantly recording, or do you record when you go in certain rooms?
Certain rooms.
They do everything here. We bring the machines in here to do the training sometimes.
Are you still recording right now?
Yeah, because I like hearing what Angela. Because when she says something, I try to remember. I'm like, oh yeah, she said.
I want this recording.
Okay, yeah, I'll send it to you. Because Angela, yeah, she's a beast.
That's what I was asking. That's what I was really wondering.
Yeah, it's just another room. The same.
The oxygen machine, we have it right here. It's the oxygen machine for our patient.
Come on in.
They use for, yeah, it's painful. But this machine, basically, what you do, you will lay in here.
Angela, can you say it again, or from the beginning? What it is?
What's wrong with this? Sorry.
This,
Yes.
this is for like most like for visia, for analysis for your body. So this machine here, what it's gonna do is once you lay in here, they're gonna see everything inside of you. You're gonna see your bones, how your bones are. So your bone density. So this, it will see what treatment it can be provided the best for you. If you're not sure that the Ultra Shape and Vela Shape or the Evolve, one of those, you're not sure which one is the best for you, or let's say you wanted, not sure exactly where's your fat and everything. So this is amazing. So clients that do get this, if you guys want to try it, you guys can also go through the group one and you can buy it in there. It's the cheapest discount in there, and there's a lot of clients they do get this because you will know what's inside of you.
What's the name of this machine?
Bone density.
And do you mind if I show just one quick thing about the machine?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't mean to be in your way.
We have,
Oh, but the only so what she said, like the imaging of your body, the main sonographic machine is underneath, so it'll track with you. So this is just, it bounces off like sonar. So you got your ultrasonic machines, ultrasonic scrubbers, stuff like that. Ultrasound. Ultrasound is kind of the same thing, just for your body. Just this thing down here, I mean, it's very, very powerful. It's almost like how TSA or customs, when they're looking at packages and stuff like that, it's the same technology. So when it goes over, just literally read your whole. I wish we could do it, but we have to have goggles and other stuff.
yeah.
So we
And then
can't.
right behind you, there's another machine there. As you know, that's the Visia machine. That machine, it will tell you where your sand damage is, your wrinkle, how you're gonna look a certain time in the year of your age. Everything, we'll give you everything, all your damage in there. So if you're not sure what kind of facial is best for you, I would say always try to get the Visia first, and then you can see what facial it will be the best. The technician will tell you which one is the best one for you. Yeah. And we also just started doing nails. So we're new in nails department. We brought from Red Door also.
How's your skin? I shaved the arm. I didn't mean it.
No,
leave you
yes.
bald.
I want to get another one.
Okay, yeah.
Well, I need
should've
not
did
another
the-
one. I need to get one.
I should have did the whole arm. I'm so
No,
sorry.
it made me. I was just like, this beautiful patch. It was my friend for a couple of days. Then I just had to take it off.
Oh, man, I'm so sorry. No, I'll definitely send you the link. Like, on Instagram and
Yes,
everything.
absolutely.
So, okay.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
Yeah.
So the nail technician does pretty much almost the same thing as Red Door services. And I can tell you, Valeria and Jacob, they fell in love with her, how she does this pedicure and manicure. So those massages in there, they massage you while you're doing your pedicure. So it's kind of like a chair massage, which we do have one in the salt room too, which I'm gonna go over with you guys over there. So this is where we do a pedicure, manicures, we do gel, and the signature which has the paraffin or the warm cream pedicure and manicure. And right now, as you can see, the nail polish is only a few. It's because we're right new on this. So we're trying to grow up in here. We also need a nail department, more employees in here too.
You do, okay.
Well, see, and that's very important because most people think that the bigger spas are gonna have like a you start small and then you build your way up.
Yeah, so we have broad. Mostly employees in here is more people who we know from Red Door, and that's how we got like 2 so far already. So, you know, if you have anyone who has experience and they have been working with nails, tell them that because we're in need of that.
And they will contact you.
They can contact me or Valeria, or I can pass it along to Ali. Ali has the hiring because I'm always busy with phones.
Okay.
But Ali is the one who will be hiring anyone in here.
Now, a lot of schools, they will teach certain students to just do facials, but once you get a good job or a nice medical spa, you have opportunities to cross-train or to learn other skills, so then you can always...
So we start, let's say if you're new, we'll start from our basic service, which is our, let's say if you're an esthetician, we'll do our basic, which is ARIA customized facial, which is a cleanse and, you know, exfoliate, extraction, and all that. Pretty much the other facials, once you're more confident with the first facial, then we'll jump in slowly. We're not gonna throw you like right away to start doing certain service if you're not sure, because the main focus is for you to connect to the client and to concentrate with the client, get to know the client too, not just do the facial and let her go. Right? So the same thing with the nail department. We start from basic, which is a warm cream, lotion, manicure, pedicure, and then slowly we'll go up. And then once you start doing those simple services, we'll jump you slowly to go up.
All right. Oh man, this door's heavy. Oh. Jesus, no problem.
So this is our massage therapy room too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is our massage room as well, as you can see.
Welcome.
That's where his name is Young. He also has a knowledge of the chiropractor as well. He used to work upstairs, but he decided to come over here, and now he's working here.
Oh, I love it.
And he will not move from here. He loves it here. He's amazing. Yeah, this is his room. And the next room, which is our facial room, and let me see someone from here. So this is another facial room. Oh, thank you.
It's good to see you.
This is
I like your hair.
It's very nice. So she does sustain all the facials right now. She's doing the skin wave, the skin wave facial, the cryofacial, and all basic facials. And she does hydrotherapy as well.
You can go in. It's okay. Yeah. I'm about to turn the light on, Angel. I'm so sorry, so they can. Okay, there you go.
Do you guys have any questions, anything? You guys are good?
When we go to aesthetic schools, I went to school right down the street, but then I also went into a school in Maryland. That's a basic school, and then transferred to Virginia just to learn the master's courses, to learn the machine side. Because at our school, we didn't learn laser, all the fun stuff that you're showing us. And so it's really great that you guys have us coming up here because I'm like, wait a minute, schools don't teach it really. Not to say our schools are, you know, it's just they can't show you everything. They don't have the money, the means, and we just think it's just this when we go to school. Like, no, it's not. There's so much other stuff. You'd be surprised. And you can make other money, not just doing facials. You can transfer into other things, go back to school. Some employers will pay for your school to go back to school. So I don't know if she's, but anyway, but some schools or jobs will pay for your continuing education, which is wonderful. I'm sorry, Angela. We can continue.
All right. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
What about
and before we begin, everybody's noticing, like, if you do get a male client, female client, somebody who's irate or troublesome, what is normally watching us at the front desk?
Well, we have cameras everywhere.
Exactly. Can you show us real quick, like where one is right behind you?
We'll show, you want me to show you where the break room is? That's where the cameras are.
Oh no, it's
There's
this
one
one.
over there.
Yes,
So
one.
there's one camera here. There's no camera inside the room,
Right.
but it's in the hallway,
Everywhere.
in the kitchen, in the other side.
Right.
So yeah, it's every side of the corner of our spa has a camera.
And then,
So if we cannot, because it's so big for us to keep chasing people, so we look at the camera at the front desk
yeah. And that's
to find someone.
that's just the wing.
Yeah.
I know they haven't fixed the door, but the camera system, most people in these big establishments like Red Door, Massage Envy, Massage Heights, they may have one that's focusing on the register because they're watching people, but I'm like, why don't you watch our clients more than our people? So they're more worried about that money, the almighty dollar, instead of our safety, stuff like that. So I appreciate even having the camera, so it kind of stops people from thinking they can do some crazy stuff.
Oh, it has some crazy stuff over here.
Yeah, they'll still try. Yeah,
They
still
they
try.
don't care that it's a camera, but it still does it. But we're like, hey, I can see you.
We got you.
Right
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
That's right. Okay, sorry, Angela.
No, you're
Continue.
good.
Okay, continue.
If you were, let's say, if you will work here, you will have like a main key, like one of these lock key. This will open the cabinet. They will set up to drop a cabinet or open the doors for you. So you cannot get in if you don't have a key. There's no way for you to get in unless a client opens the door for you.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm gonna go show you
The other half, yeah.
the other half, and then we'll go upstairs after.
Because when we first started, they didn't even have this. It was cut off way back there. It was so small.
Yeah.
But she took over everything. Like, wow, it's amazing.
So let me go this way, guys. Sorry. Using one.
Oh, so sorry. I'm a gentleman.
Thank you.
It has a little heat, like almost like sauna inside. If you guys want to go and try it,
Yeah.
see how it feels.
Yeah, come on in. Come on.
So she said you were.
But you got to see it, right? Oh, she's right. Never mind. I love your nails. All right, now. I said I love your nails. Very nice.
Thank you.
Right.
I had taken them off. You say,
Very nice.
ER, right? And I needed a filling, and I said I did not fall asleep in this ER bed, and somebody see me with my nails messed up, so I took them.
No problem.
Not me.
I'm dead.
Over here, before you try this float room, you will need first
Plain
bathing
water.
suit.
Yeah.
Okay. Once
Yeah, check it
you
out.
bring your own bathing suit, you have to take a shower. If you can see that on the side is a shower. That's where you need to wash off first, and then once you get out from the float room, you need to take another shower.
Okay.
To take out the salt, because it's salt water. It's like if you go to the beach, it's really salty water, so same over here.
Okay.
And this service actually helps for asthma.
There's a lot of salt. You'll float on the water. It's really nice. Detoxifying, really good stuff.
Anything, this is amazing. And this, we do it for 60 or 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually couple they do it in here as well, but sometimes we see clients they actually just like almost like a pool, but it's not a pool. It's for you to float, to basically close your eyes and make your body kind of like do the light and go and float. Yeah. So you're actually relaxing.
Yeah.
And the salt in the water, that's what allows us to float because we have salt in our bodies as well. So if we didn't, our iron's messed up, you'll sink. If you sink in one of these pools, then yeah. Unless you're really heavy, then yes, you'll sink. But if you look at the Adriatic Ocean or way overseas, the salt, everybody floats on top of the water. And so for a few people, that means they're iron deficient or something's going on for you to be sinking like that. Even if you're super heavy, because out there it's the ocean, so you shouldn't be just. Ugh. But anyways, that's what the salt's pretty much really allowing you to detoxify, pure your body. Okay, sorry. Continue. Break.
We appreciate these informative.
I try to.
Okay, this is our quiet room that we have. This, the right now, we can guys go in there so you guys can feel how it is.